चैप्टर 4 का नाम क्या है बेटा? Pay attention. Dear student, it is the class 9 subject maths. Today I will start. Today I will tell you about chapter number 4. Linear equation in two variables. ठीक है ना? Namely x and y. दो वेरिएबल आपके क्या है? हमने x और y ले ली. Dear student, pay attention. Subject maths, chapter number 4, class 9. Linear equation in two variables. That's the name of chapter. By the name of the chapter, it is clear that it is an equation, but that linear and having two variables x and y. Linear means what? Every first degree equation is known as linear. Every first degree equation is known as linear, but that equation contains two variables. So name of that linear equation in two variables. Clear? So how to define? Definition. इसमें देख लेना है the problem you may. ठीक? Tell me. Definition: an equation of the form. Very easy definition. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equals 0 is known as a linear equation. Clear? Equation in short form. Linear means every first degree equation. यहाँ पे वेरिएबल का पावर 1 तो फर्स्ट डिग्री इक्वेशन. फर्स्ट डिग्री इक्वेशन हमेशा लीनियर रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. क्लियर? इसमें चूंकि दो वेरिएबल हैं x एंड y, सो नेम ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन इज लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स. एग्जांपल, there are so many examples. 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals 0. So that's the exact form of this. Clear? So here pay attention. A means what is A? Coefficient of x, B coefficient of y, C constant term. So here in place of A here 2, in place of B 3 and C equals 7. Clear? So that's the linear equation. You may give many examples. पहला, दूसरा. Second example, you may also change the sign also. -2 plus -2x plus 5y minus 7 equals 0. It is also linear. Here A equal, anyone of you? -2. B equal 5 or C equal
-7.
Here A equal 2, B equal 3, C equal 7. Clear? So that all about the linear equation with definition and examples. Clear? Now we take the exercise. Exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. So dear student, exercise question number 1 of this exercise, read any one of them. Any one of you? Yes, please. Cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write the linear equation in two variables to represent the statement. Cost of a pen, cost of a notebook is equal to twice the cost of a pen. given question. Cost of a notebook is equal to twice the cost of a pen. Cost of a notebook is equal to, ऐसा प्रश्न दे रखा है, let the cost of a notebook be X, then the cost of a pen 2 into pi. Clear? Where let, या तो ऊपर ही लिखो इस बात को या नीचे बताओ, where let X be the cost of a notebook and y be the
cost of a pen.
आराम से बोलो, नो प्रॉब्लम यार. Why you take pressure? Unnecessary, no meaning of all this. आराम प्रसन्नतापूर्वक काम करिए जो करोगे, है ना. अच्छा है. क्लियर? तो ये आपने कंसिडरेशन कर लिया. तो नाउ गो ऑन, ट्रांसफर कर दो इधर. x minus 2y, क्लियर? x minus 2y equals 0. So that the exact form 1x, देखो जरा ऐसे भी लिखेंगे, minus 2y, c की वैल्यू 0 equals 0. That the proper form of ax plus by plus c equals
0.
ठीक है ना. That's all. Now it is the time of SW. Dear student, try to solve exercise 4.2. Try to solve exercise 4.2 with the help of example also. You may consult with examples and try to solve exercise 4.2. Thanks. Okay, wish you good.